Real-time update. This is just a quick video. We were all happy putting the boat back together, so we didn't find any damage. Back here, we thought the water, we had what we call the water feature. This back tray filled up and water was cascading down. Put all the chain plates back in, bedded everything, because we figured since the chain plates are out, that's where water was coming from, but no. The vinyl was wet, and I was gone, and apparently Captain Mark comes in on the weekend, and he just starts ripping and tearing, because as he started pulling the vinyl off, these wood trim, the wood pieces that hold the headliner and stuff, completely saturated. And so what do? You go up when you find water, and up and up and up. And here's the dorade box. This is the first thing we found that we don't like. So we started cutting out the bottom skin. And you didn't cut this, did you, Mark? It's just the way it was, right?
That's just the way it was.
You cut the balsa out,
I
but
cut the balsa
it was
out.
not attached.
It's not attached.
Yikes-a-ria.
And water just kept cascading down there. So was original shoddy workmanship, I think. Don't want to throw anybody under the bus, but this isn't.
Well, it doesn't look like it was good.
It was a dorade box that held water.
Yeah. And the mushy balsa, this is wet in here a little bit. We got to go a little bit bigger. But apparently this dorade box on this far edge, that upper skin is not bonded to anything. And so the dorade box was not draining overboard. It was just capturing water and bringing it to the inside of the boat. So that's no bueno. We're going to get a bore scope and take a look up in here and figure out how to do it. Not a big deal. We've already cut out most of the wetness. We'll cut this out. We'll repair the core. We'll get it watertight. While we're at it, we're going to probably take the other side down, because if one side wasn't put together well and leaks, there's a chance the other one might, and we don't want it leaking on that bunk over there. But that's what happens with a 30-year-old boat. We're pretty fortunate. This is the only thing we've found that we didn't like, and it's an easy fix other than some of this headliner damage that we have, but that's all right. We can fix it.
So where's your knife right quick? Let's just see if this side is the same. Let's just do this. Is this side the same?
Hold on, let me see. Oh, I'm still filming. Put a light over there.
So what we're looking for here is to see if this side is the same as the other side. No gentle way to do this.
Oh. Huh.
Wood is dry right here. That's a good sign.
Is that just shiny? No.
No.
Look at that.
No, that's exactly what's happening on the other side. I thought we'd found the leak right here, and I got a drip on my head, and I started squeezing this. Watch what happens.
Yeah. Beautiful.
So same kind of deal.
Doesn't look like it runs very far out. It's contained to where the dorade box is, but we can see this plywood's wet. Yeah, exactly. Ow. Paper cut. There we go. We're cutting open both sides.
Yeah.
We want a dry boat.
That's it. Okay, Charlie, this is all your fault. No gentle way to do it. And this is mold on the inside of your boat and above your bunk.
We don't want that.
Not what you want.
Not at all.
So this
Okay.
plywood rump comes off, all this comes off, this comes off, because there's water down here.
Sorry about your boat, Jen. Oh, we're making it better. It's spa day.
Sorry about the boat, but this is over my bunk. Water.
Water. Mystery solved. That's what we do at Marine Tech.
Water.
Water.
Mold.
Mold. We're going to have to get some mold treatment here. For sure.
Okay. Have fun, Charlie. It all comes out.
Okay.
Oh boy.
Captain, what are you doing?
Well, we suspected there was a leak here, and when screws are rusty, when you take them out of something and water starts dripping, we're not below water line here. We're that's the deck.
This is a back cabin. This is above your head.
This is where my head would be, right here.
Oh, yeah.
Not good.
Not good.
So
Old
this
boats, one ocean. This is what we
This is a
do.
dorade vent, so it's vented to the outside, double like it's supposed to be. But obviously water has penetrated the box inside. This is the outline of the box up there, and this
Oh yeah, we can fix that. That's what we do at Marine Tech. We fix things.
is what progress looks like.
Wait a minute, say that again. This is what?
This is what progress looks like. I have
Okay.
to keep telling myself this is progress. Here, look at this.
Oh yeah, beautiful. We love boats. Well, we knew there was water in there, and there was only one thing you could do. Get out your little vibrating tool and start carving and hacking. Being careful, of course, to only get on the inside where we suspect the damage was of that frame. You can see that white line which outlined the edge of the dorade box up top. Had her vacuum going, trying to keep ahead of the mess. But it was definitely a wise move to cut this open. Oh, beautiful. We got some soup.
So what are you guys looking for? Rare earth metals?
Gold bullion. They hide it up here in the overhead.
That'll only matter when it freezes.
Okay, after another week or so of work, we're almost done with this project. So how do we fix it? We, of course, cut out all the rotten stuff. And then luckily, even though this is the first thing we found in this boat that wasn't quality construction, the beauty of it is they had properly sealed the entire back deck other than where the dorade boxes went. So it was only contained to this little small, this much on either side. So we cut out the fiberglass tubes that go up and into the box for the drains, made a template and put a piece of 1/4-inch material in here and sealed it very well from both sides and all the way around. And then what we're going to do is put a fillet around this tube and the box again, and then we made new Kusa board inserts that pop up into here with the taper and everything. And so we will glue these in, and then all we have to do is skin some glass back over here, and it'll be a quality repair. We got material that if it did leak, which is very doubtful, but the Kusa will never rot. And so we're going to get that all completely sealed, and then of course we're in better shape. We'll just have to work on redoing the headliner, but we got rid of all the wetness, we got rid of the rot, and we got rid of, most importantly, black mold. Nobody wants to be living on a boat with problems. So it's all treated and dry, dehumidifier running, and so going back together. So even though it set us back a little more than a week, had to be done. So that's a boat. We got her taken care of. Stay tuned. We'll keep with the updates. Welcome to the Scallywags, located in the beautiful Pacific Northwest, where Skagit Valley College has been training technicians since 1968. If you are looking for industry certification and the skills to work in maritime, this is the place to visit. Our staff will share so much knowledge and experience, you will not be disappointed. The workforce demand is very high, and all of our graduates are working around the world. If this sounds interesting to you, schedule a tour and come check us out.